it would be only one street, but apparently it's a whole neighborhood. I've just ordered a dish called Chicken Achari. I don't know what it is, but the Indian desserts are insane. You can spend like 4 or 5 hours in this area and still you will not eat everything. Yes guys, I'm trying to get a rickshaw to Mohammed Ali Road, but I've been waiting for like 30 minutes and every time I had to cancel because they just keep driving and they don't come at the pickup location. Look at this insanity. Okay guys, the plans have changed. We wanted to take a rickshaw and apparently you can only get there by taxi or train. And we met a very nice local who advised us to take the train. Okay guys, we've got our tickets, so wish me good luck. Look at how busy it is. We're gonna try to stay close to the door so we can get out at any time. Yes, fellow friends, we have arrived at station Masjid, and from here I think we have to walk for about 5 minutes before we arrive at the infamous Mohammed Ali Road. I thought it would be only one street, but apparently it's a whole neighborhood. This is more like the commercial area, I guess. It reminds me of the Dharavi region, but it's slightly more developed. I'm happy that this road is so wide. It feels kind of safe to walk in the middle. There's a lot of clothes. I have never seen a market like this, guys. Even in countries like Thailand, Indonesia, they have very big areas full of markets, but not like this. This is next level. Look at this. Beautiful, colorful mosque. Big boss. Yeah, my guy wanted to be on the video. Hard-working man. Are you doing vlogging? Yes, sir. Morocco. Hyderabad. Next year. Okay, this time only Mumbai. Yeah, very big. I'm Hyderabad. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, this street sells mainly traditional clothes. Not sure if these are meant for marriages or just casual wear, but I would guess the first. Wow, this is insane. We're gonna try out this restaurant because it is way too busy. I've just ordered a dish called chicken achari, and the main ingredients is a achar curry, which is a pickled type of creamy curry. Look at this. And apparently they used ghee instead of yogurt, I think. I've tried it already because the chef let me taste it first before ordering. It reminds me of a dish I've eaten in Pakistan, but I believe that dish was called white chicken karahi, and this chef told me this has nothing to do with the karahi. So look at this. Once again, very oily. I don't think it's healthy, but it tastes amazing. I'm gonna give it an 8.5 out of 10, and I think it's a safe choice for everyone. It's very mild, slightly spicy, but you should try it. Okay, travel friends, they made a dessert for us called Rabri or something like that, and we're gonna try it out. It smells very earthy, so I'm very curious. I don't know what it is, but the Indian desserts are insane. Always sweet. This one is creamy. I'm not sure about the ingredients, but I'm gonna put it on the screen. It's a 9 out of 10. Okay guys, amazing food at this Noor Mohammadi hotel. By the way, hotel means restaurant in India. And they gave us 2 free desserts because we enjoyed them so much. And now we're going back into the craziness of Mohammed Ali Road. Another beautiful mosque. Look at this. This is insane. Abi yok dur ne? Hey guys, we saw this on YouTube and my friend wanted to try it out. So, and it's basically like a falafel but Indian style. So
and maida roti.
Another beautiful shop. You can spend like 4 or 5 hours in this area and still you will not eat everything that is available. I'm not sure if you can hear me, but I'm gonna close the day with a nice custard apple. See you on the next one. Ciao ciao.